There's an awful lot of rain beating down. I swear it is freaking raining the Pacific Ocean right now. Or Lake Erie, either one. Isn't that just great? I swear, it is just horrible. Oh my god. Gotta flood watch out at this very moment.